Hey everybody, I'm Robert the Zombiebargainhunter, and today this is day 7, week 2 of me opening up 3 boxes a day of the Pixar. We've had an amazing week. All the hits are back there. If you see them all, if you didn't see me open them, go back and watch all the videos. What are you waiting for? Get over there. Yeah, we've had it a crazy week. We've pulled, what, 3 patches, 2 gold cards, a black card, a nebula. Man, the 10 out of 10 black card was the greatest. Let's see if we can continue the luck. Let's see. Nope, no winner there. Doesn't mean we won't get a gold card. But yeah, we've had an amazing week. Had a lot of fun opening up these packs. Almost had a heart attack when I pulled out the black Nemo. Oh no. Come on. Let's end the week with a winner. But yeah, we pulled 2 winners back to back. I doubt I'm going to get another winner. But hey, I can hope, right? At least pull a gold card to end out the week. That would be nice. Come on. Let's see. Winner, 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 chicken dinner. Let's see. Oh, we did. Holy cow, that's freaking amazing. Oh, I did not expect that at all. Let's put this over here. Oh my God, we've had it a crazy week. 3 winners and then all those pulls. Oh my God. Let me get all this nonsense out of the way so we can start opening up the non-winner packs. And hopefully there's a winner in them. Hopefully there's a winner in the non-winners. If you focus on what you've left behind, you'll never be able to see what lies ahead. That's right. You tell him, Mr. Rat. Mr. Dirty Rat. Got a Russell and a Lotso. Man, that is crazy. Probably the best week ever. I couldn't believe it. We pulled such amazing cards. Could it be the 101? It could be. I'm still waiting for the 101. I'm looking for my One Piece. I'm looking to buy some cards. PlushGamesAndMore.com. Feel free to go over there. Get yourself a set of whatever you like. You get the Woody. Oh, he loves Woody. And a Bob Parr. Yeah, I have a whole bunch of mini sets. Got individual packs. Got boxes. And of course, you buy something, let me know, and I will include something. Got an Angry May and a Woody. Yeah, let me know if you buy something. Let me know you saw me on TikTok or YouTube. I'm not sure if I'm going to put these on Rumble or not. If you see them on Rumble, then I put them on Rumble. I might put them on later. Rumble just doesn't get a lot of traffic, so it's like, eh. Yeah, that's a double Carl. So I have been lazy, haven't been putting a lot on Rumble. But I guess if I put more on Rumble, more people would watch. So, kind of my fault that I don't get a ton of viewers on Rumble. Or is it Rumble's fault? I don't know. I'm just opening cards here. Alright, come on. What are we going to get? We got a Dory and a Merida. got a Carl. He says, thanks for the adventure. Now go have a new one. Love, Ellie. We have a Lotso and a Russell. Oh, we got the creepy guy again. No, no, not the creepy guy. Oh, he's so scary. So creepy. We got the triplets, checklist, and ham. That's a lot of bacon there. And last pack before we open the final winner of the week. Well, today's the last day of the week, so has to be the final winner of the week, huh? Let's see what's in here. Oh, we have a nice film set of Woody. So yeah, that is sweet. And what's this? Let's see. Oh, we got Buzz. We got the 3D Buzz. That is awesome. So we had Woody and Buzz set. Now let's find out what is in here. Come on, 101. That would be amazing. Someone's got to find them. There's only 10 101s in the world. I don't know why I was looking at it. It's so close. Come on. 1 of 1. 1 of 1. Come on. Let's see. Got a Dory and a Bob Parr. Whoops, I hit the camera. Sorry, guys. What is this? Oh, we got the chubby Mr. Whiskers. And there is Dash Parr. Alright, come on. What are we going to get? Ooh, we got a Helen Parr. We got Wally looking at a Dirty Weed. And the Slinky Dog. So far, no winner card. I mean, it could be in the encased. There's metal cards in the encased, and I don't know what else. Something else is in the encased, if I remember correctly. But so far, we have not found the winner, so probably in there. Let's see what he says. Valuing life is not weakness, and disregarding it is not strength. 2 more packs. Open, open, open. We got Bob Parr and Wally. And the checklist. And last pack. If it's not in here, then it's got to be in here. Alright, so it's not in here. Okay. Let's see what interesting card we have in here. Feels kind of heavy, so it might be a metal card. Here we go. Do-do-do-do. Oh, it is a metal card. Holy cow, we have a lot of Bob Parrs this week. Look at that. That is the metal card. This thing. You hear it? What's the number on it? Let's see. It is 25 out of 100. I don't know if you can see it. I'm trying to get it out of the glare, but trust me, that's what it says. Oh, man, that is nice. So Bob Parr seems to love me this week. Anyways, hope you enjoyed the video. Please give the video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're new. And don't fiddle fart around. Get all your listings up. And we'll start again next week. Take care, everybody. Bye.